What if I told you that you could create cinematic behind-the-scenes videos like these?
Action! Engage the pumps!
Using just 2 AI tools, no camera, no production crew, no complicated editing setup. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact use to create these AI-generated behind-the-scenes videos, from coming up with the concept and generating the prompts to creating the final video in Google Flow. And the best part is, you can create the entire workflow directly from your browser. The workflow is surprisingly simple, and by the end, you are going to want to make one for every promotion you run. So don't skip ahead, because each step connects to the next one. Let's get started. Before we get into it, here is everything you need. Just 2 tools, ChatGPT, which is going to handle all of our prompting, and Google Flow, which is going to turn that prompt into an actual video. No paid subscription required for either one. Let us start with step 1, prompting. Open your browser and head over to ChatGPT. On the left-hand side panel, look for GPTs. If that option is not visible right away, click More and it will show up there. Once you are inside GPTs, search for Behind the Scene. Click on the first result that comes up and open it. Here is what this actually is, in simple terms. It is a custom preset GPT that only needs 2 pieces of information from you to build an entire cinematic scene. Step 1. Pick a disaster. It can be anything: an explosion, a building collapse, a natural disaster, whatever fits the mood you are going for. Step 2. Give it a place. You can either type out a location, or if you already have a photo of a specific place you want to use, upload that image instead. For this example, I am going to type in New Delhi, India as my location. Once both of those are filled in, hit submit. Within a few seconds, it hands back 2 things: a prompt for generating a still image and a prompt for generating the full video. Now, there are 3 ways to use this. Option 1. Generate the image first, then use that image as your starting frame for the video. Option 2. If you already have your own image ready, upload it as your frame and pair it with the video prompt. Option 3. The fastest route and exactly what I am doing here. Skip the image entirely. Copy the video prompt and generate the video directly. Let us copy that prompt and move on to step 2. Search for Google Flow in your browser, open it, and create a new project. Paste in the video prompt you just copied. Then head over to the model selection and make sure you are on videos, not images. Here is an important detail. If you wanted to generate your video starting from a specific image, you would click frame and upload it there. But since we are generating directly from the prompt, leave ingredients selected instead. Next, set your video ratio to 9:16. This is short-form content, reels, shorts, so vertical is exactly what you want. For the video model, select Omni Flash, set duration to 10 seconds, and since we only need one version, click 1x, hit generate, and let it process. And here is what came back. Look at that. Full cinematic detail, realistic lighting, 0 glitches. That is a completely AI-generated behind-the-scenes disaster clip, built from nothing but a text prompt and a location. To download it, click the 3 dots, hit download, and choose the 1080p upscaled version. That is your finished, ready-to-post clip. And that is the entire process. 2 tools, 2 steps, 1 seriously cinematic result. Change the disaster, change the location, and you get a completely different scene every single time. The possibilities here are pretty much endless. If this saved you time or gave you a new idea for your content, do me a favor and hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more AI tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.